Imagine stepping off the plane into a city where Gaudí's wildest dreams become buildings. Tapas sizzle into the night. Every street corner tells a story. And even where the hidden alleys hold secret gardens and panoramic views you won't find in guidebooks. If you've ever asked what to do in Barcelona, is it worth visiting for tourists? Or what's the best way to see Barcelona in 1 day or 3? Stick around, because I'm about to show you 10 things to do in Barcelona that are both iconic and completely off the beaten path. By the end, you'll have your perfect itinerary ready. If you love discovering cities in a different light, hit subscribe now so you don't miss the hidden gems. Number 1. Sagrada Familia and Gaudí's masterpieces. Start strong with the masterpiece, La Sagrada Familia. Yes, it's famous. Yes, it's crowded. But nothing prepares you for seeing light pour through stained glass in its towers. Then dive deeper with Casa Batlló and La Pedrera. Less crowded, just as fantastical. Gaudí at his most dreamlike. Number 2. Gothic Quarter and El Born. Wander the labyrinthine streets of the Gothic Quarter. Roman walls, hidden plazas, unexpected sculptures. Then slip over to El Born for artisan shops, tapas bars, and that vibe of old meets underground. If you're wondering what to do in Barcelona for a day, this pairing gives you architecture, history, and flavour. Number 3. Montjuic Hill and Magic Fountain. Climb or cable car up Montjuic Hill. You get sweeping city views, gardens, the castle, and great museums. At night, don't miss the Magic Fountain of Montjuic, a show of water, light, and music that turns a hilltop into a stage under the stars. Number 4. Parc Güell and Bancas del Carmel. Parc Güell is Gaudí's whimsical park full of mosaic dragons, sweeping benches, and postcard views. For something more raw and off the grid, hike to the Bancas del Carmel. Brilliant sunset spot, fewer tourists and one of Barcelona's best kept secrets. Number 5. La Rambla, Boqueria and Market Life. La Rambla is touristy, yes, but a stroll along its kiosks, street performers, and then into Mercat de la Boqueria, food heaven, is sensory overload in the best way. Taste local jamón, churros, fresh produce. These are things to do in Barcelona that make it feel alive. Number 6. Beaches and waterfronts. When the sun's up, hit the beaches. Barceloneta, Bogatel, or the quieter shores a little further out. Sea air, paella by the water, and the chance to watch sailboats drift in the Mediterranean. If you're in Barcelona 3 to 4 days, you'll want at least 1 beach day. Number 7. Museums and alternative art spaces. Don't miss the Museu Nacional d'Art de Catalunya, MANHC, for sweeping historical and modern art. Then, for something unexpected, Cosmo Caixa Museum, or small galleries in Gracia or Poblenou that showcase local Catalan art and street art. Things to do in Barcelona go beyond churches. Number 8. Terrace views and hidden gardens. Seek out secret rooftop cafes with views over the city. Find hidden gardens like Jardins de Rubio Luch. Wander alleys in Gracia. Get lost in neighbourhood plazas with locals enjoying vermouth. These are the moments travel memories are made of. Number 9. Day trips from Barcelona. If you have 2 to 3 days, take a day trip. Montserrat for monasteries perched above, Girona for medieval streets, or the Dalí Museum in Figueres for surreal art. These top things to do in Barcelona include escaping the city for spectacular day trips. Number 10. Food, nightlife and Catalan culture. Barcelona is famous for its food, tapas, paella, seafood, small plates, late meals. Try local spots in El Raval or Poble Sec. Then immerse in the night. Flamenco, live music, rooftop bars. If you want to know what Barcelona is best known for, it's this: art, food, energy and sun. So, is Barcelona worth visiting? 100%. It has everything. Architecture that bends your mind, culture that moves your heart, food that delights your senses, and hidden corners that make you feel like you're discovering your own version of the city. Don't miss La Sagrada Familia, Park Güell, the views from Montjuic or Bunkers, Boqueria Market, and one beach day to cool off your feet. What was your favourite stop in this Barcelona list? Let me know in the comments. Maybe you've been to a gem I missed? And if this video helped you plan, hit like, share with your travel buddy, and subscribe for more city guides that go beyond the usual.